So my micro profit strategy was for me to take $100 and try to turn that $100 into $1,000 by making small $100 a day profit. Now, that worked for me, but not in the beginning. So I had to learn exactly how to perfect it. And here are a few of the things I bought and sold. Okay, and this was, you can see the date right here, January 28th, 2020. See, I bought this for $10.85 and I sold it for $11.49, which isn't a lot, but I was able to pull $139.52 of profit. Okay, let's go to the next one. All right, so this one I bought at $6.85, sold it at $7.76, and I made a profit of $207.48. So not bad. Like I said, it wasn't all smooth sailing. I had to learn a lot and perfect a lot before I was able to do this. I had a whole strategy that I used. Let's go to the third one, and this is on January 18th, 2020. I bought, and this was a big deal for me because I didn't want to spend this much money, but this is what it brought me to. My strategy brought me to this coin, so I bought it. And this one was at $341.89. I bought it at, and then I sold it for $367.51, and I made a profit of $128.10. Now, the whole goal of this profit is to get to $1,000. Because, like I said, in my mind, if I make $1,000 and trade it, I can make thousands of dollars a day. That was my mindset. So here's some of the ones that I did after I made the $1,000. I bought this. It's called Panda, and I bought this for $3,186.60, and I sold it probably a day later for $5,097. So that is a gain of what? What is that? It's over $1,000, $1,800 or so. So I was able to do that with Hash Panda. Now, look at these numbers here. I buy them really, really, really cheap. And I sell them still really, really, really cheap. But I don't get too greedy. I just take 1,000 or more out, and then I'm done for the day. Okay, here's another one. Now, this one was a really, really good one. As you can see, I bought it really, really, really cheap. I spent $2,207.08, and I sold it still really, really cheap. But I was able to pull out $9,328. So that's an increase of $7,000. And that was in, I think that one was a day and a half. It wasn't very long. With these trades, I'm in and I'm out. Let's do one more. All right, so I bought this one called Propel, and I bought it, again, really cheap. And I got $5,666.02 I bought it for, and I sold it for $7,291. So that's over $1,000 again. It's almost, what, 15, 16, 1,700, something like that. But if you can see here, I sold it at 126% increase, and here is at 95% increase. So that was the goal. That's always been the goal. And so I had to build up to that. And on the next video, I'm going to show you the strategy I use to find these really, really, really cheap ones. Now, you have to use every single thing that I've shown on the channel to make trades like this. I'm going to show you that in the next video.
You don't need a part-time job. You need the ultimate part-time job.